Welcome to Cooking with Hilda. I am super excited today because we are making chicharrones. I don't know if you have heard about them, but they are very popular in the Hispanic culture. And we love to make them for parties, a special occasion. And we made it out of pork belly, one of my favorite things to eat. They are delicious, crunchy, flavorful, so you don't want to miss this. So let's make them. We start with a delicious fresh pork belly and we cut it in same size pieces. And we are gonna clean it. To do the process of cleaning your pork belly, you actually simmer it for around 20 to 30 minutes until you see all that foam forming on top of your pot. You take it out of there, and now we are gonna deep fry these babies. Now let me tell you, you can also air fry the chicharrones. I have tried it before and they're delicious. Today though, we are going to use the traditional method of deep frying. This is the original traditional method of making chicharrones, but you can air fry them. You can also try it in oven bake them. I tried that, I didn't like that, but go ahead if you want to try that. Air fried is good, bake not that good. But you also can try to cook them in their own oil because pork belly has a lot of fat. Then you can try that. But traditional method tells you to deep fry them. So today we are gonna deep fry them. So we are gonna use oil. Let me tell you, traditional method tells you to use lard. Personally, I don't like to use lard, so I use oil and deep fry them in oil. You have to be careful not to use a very strong flavor oil like olive oil. That's not gonna give you a very good quality chicharrón. Now with a kitchen thermometer, we're gonna keep the oil to this temperature and keep it there. So you have to be checking constantly the temperature, because if it goes too high, you're just gonna burn your chicharrón, and too low is not gonna cook your chicharrón. So keep it there between those degrees. Now we deep fry the pork belly until they are crispy and crunchy like these ones. If you already go through all the trouble to make homemade chicharrones, of course you want to make a homemade salsa. And for that, we need jalapeños, serranos, garlic, onion, and we're gonna roast these babies. And after we broil them, we take our molcajete y a molcajear pues. We molcajeamos, we made this delicious salsa, and we are ready to assemble our delicious tacos de chicharrón. And we do it like this. We take our tortilla, we choose the chicharrones we want to eat, and add some lemon, some salsa. Now I want you guys to hear this. I love chicharrones. Thank you guys for being one more time here with me in Cooking with Hilda. And if you enjoyed how to make chicharrones at home, please give me a thumbs up. See you guys next time.